How to change email in WhatsApp? First of all, open WhatsApp and tap on the three dots in the top right corner to access the menu. Next, go to Settings and then tap on Account. Once you are in the Account section, tap on Email address. After the page is open, tap on the pencil icon next to your email address to change your email. Now, you will be prompted to enter your new email address. Make sure the email you provide is valid and accessible. After entering the new email, tap on Next. WhatsApp will send the verification code to your new address. Go to your email inbox and open the verification message from WhatsApp where you will find your OTP. Copy and paste the code to verify your new email. Once you have verified the new email, return to WhatsApp. You may need to log out and log back in to complete the process. And that's it. Now you know how to change your email in WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.